trailer blues. Sorry for the wind. We're gonna get a cold front here in Florida. So I'd rented this out to a repeat customer. They brought it back and said the tongue jack doesn't go up and down. I took off the cap. This actually spins, the ring and pinion spin. So there's probably further down in here that's broke. And I don't know why my road is so busy right now. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon. I don't know where all these people are coming and going. Maybe get the kids from school. But anyway, so just a quick glance on YouTube, and there's a roll pin here. And when you move this spring back, the roll pin should come out. Not on this one. Nope. It's like peened over or something in there, and I tried driving it out. It would not come out. So I have a 4-inch cutting tool, as you can see. And because this is actually a 4x4. So today I went to the Home Depot, picked up a 3-inch cutoff tool and some wheels. I have batteries, so I don't have to worry about that with the rigid. So I'm going to try to get the spring out of the way and then cut this pin out so I can pull the handle shaft out, get the rest of this gearing out, and see what's broken, hopefully underneath. Otherwise I'll have to have this replaced, and that's going to be expensive. They quoted me $250 for the jack and $250 an hour labor to take it off and put it on, and it's welded on there pretty good. So hopefully I can get this accomplished. I got the gear off. Had to cut the heck out of it. Got the shaft out. You can see, kind of cut into the shaft to get that. I think the roll pin is still in there somewhere. Cut up the spring. These are the bushings and the washer in there. Should be another one of these in there somewhere. And that lifts off, and sure enough, see that piece that's broken down there? That's what broke on this thing. Shear pin broke. What I'll do is order a kit and replace that. Don't feel a hole for it. That's what we'll do. Get this thing fixed and back available for rent. Alright, so again, I was able to cut this gear enough to get the shaft out for the handle. and of course it was broken, this pin. However, I was not able to get it out of the worm gear, so I took my brass punch, drove the worm gear down to bring the stanchion all the way down. But now I have to use some redneck ingenuity to lift the trailer up a little bit higher so I can actually get that out of there, so I can access the worm gear to try to get the rest of the broken pin out. And that worked. I just lifted it up a little bit higher and I was able to slide it out from under. This is it, and that's the broken pin right there. I wasn't able to push it out while it was inside of there, unfortunately, so I had to take this apart, and these little pins just kind of just sit in there. So I'll get that out, order a kit, and get this thing back together so it can be used again. So this pin's not going to come out of here. I'm going to have to order the worm gear. You can see it there. It just slides down in there after you take those two retaining pins out. There's nothing holding them in, you just slide them out and that lifts right out. I'm not going to take any of this apart, this is spring loaded, and I don't need that to be another problem. So I'll see about getting a kit for this thing to get it back together. It actually would have been very easy if it wasn't for this pin not wanting to come out, and of course what's left of that pin not coming out. I don't know if you can see on here, but it is like smashed over, and that's probably from the gear spinning around on it. I'll make another video once I get the parts and put it back together, but this is just another thing you can expect to happen if you do have a dump trailer or equipment trailer and it does get rented out, or even through regular use. This trailer is only 1.5 years old, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Feel free to leave any comments or questions. I'll see what I can do to answer those. Thanks again for watching, guys.